Hi, I'm Ram Lama, and in this video, I'll be teaching you how to install Calibre in your laptop. It is easy. You have to go to your browser. In the browser, in search bar, type Calibre, enter it. The spelling is Calibre, and this is ebook management software. And through this, you can organize your existing ebook into virtual library, and you can edit there. You can convert your uh, e- PDF file into EPUB or a MOBI AZW3 format. So this will manage your ebooks. So you have to go to Calibre ebook management, click there and say download Calibre, click download. And if you use Mac, then you can use this one, or if you use Linux, like if you have already installed Koha in your library, and if you have Linux, then you can just click here, and here you have bit for bit Windows and 64-bit. So you have to be sure that you run the same build 64-bit or 32-bit. So you have to check there. If you go to your My PC, left click mouse and say property, and you will see your system type. It is 64-bit. So go to browser and say 64-bit, click here. Okay, download Calibre 64-bit. Then it is based on your internet speed. Bandwidth speed you'll get, it is only 180 MB. Let us wait till it get downloads. So download is finished. You just can click here, just click. So you have to accept the term and license agreement, click and install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So this will pop up. So you won't be seeing this one in my laptop. So you have to say yes if something comes there. Installing Calibre 64-bit. Okay, complete the Calibre 64-bit setup wizard. Click the finish button to exit and the stop wizard. Okay, stop wizard. So it has been completed. Just I don't want to launch it, finish it. So you can see my Calibre library is here, 64-bit. This is how you download from the website and install your Calibre in the laptop. Thank you very much for watching.